guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Chinese New Year everyone. As you can see, I'm going to be vlogging for Chinese New Year the whole week, maybe the second week too, I'm not quite sure, but like the whole entire week. And it's already 12. I gotta wake up early tomorrow because that's like the tradition, and tomorrow I'm going out dinner with my brother and some of our friends together. So it's not that clear, but look at the massive firework over there. Hey guys, happy Chinese New Year. This is my fit. Let me do a fit check. Wearing this cheongsam. Oh my god, the camera is not showing. Can you guys see it here? This green cheongsam. And I got my things prepared. I'm about to go for dinner at 7. I have to leave this house at like 6ish, I think. It's like 4 right now. I know it's super early. I literally just got ready early, okay? And I got my friend a gift from Japan. I got like Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, lip gloss, and there's like Polaroid camera, you know, and then like extra pictures. And I also got my digital camera. I'm probably gonna like vlog in my digital camera as well, so
네, 이거 한번 줘야 돼.
No, I'm telling you. Whoa. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
didn't like it. Okay, let me pull out my boyfriend's post.
On the phone with the girlfriend, she's upset. She's going off about something that you said. She doesn't like your humor like I do. It's a typical Tuesday night. I'm listening to the kind of music she doesn't like. She'll never know I do. 'Cause she wears short skirts, I wear a t-shirt. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleachers. Cheering on the day when you wake up and find that what you're looking for hasn't been a whole time. You can see that I'm the one who understands you in your own soul. You belong with me. You belong with me. Okay? Can't wait, guys.
Have you done your vlog for today?
No, I barely vlog, bro. Hi, girl.
We have just finished dinner.
I know, right, guys? She's going on my YouTube.
Yeah?
This
Not
girl.
that, not that.
No. So sick, man.
Bro said, oh, it's really 10:35. It's
Yeah,
10:35.
Wait.
washroom?
And that's a wrap for CNY day 1. I'm so happy, guys. Like, look at my wall now. There's so much pictures, and I'm gonna transfer my digital camera picture later. And I need to like shower now. It's so late. Guess we just came back from shopping for Chinese New Year. I went to Victoria's Secret, my one and only favorite shop, you guys. I'm gonna give you a haul like right now. Okay, so I got an ang pao and I got a voucher as well. Got this Pure Seduction perfume. And then Pure Seduction lotion and Temptation lotion. I love their lotion so much. And I got a free bodysuit. And then my pajamas. Technically it's like, okay, maybe pajamas, but I'll wear it as house clothes. Because I don't like wearing short pants to sleep, okay? And then I got like free perfumes. And then this is my mom's pajamas. And I got a bra, which I will not be showing that, so. I forgot these two free perfumes they gave me. I really love these two, so like. Hey guys, it's been like a month already and I keep forgetting to film outro for every single one of my videos now. I'm so sorry guys, but that is it for Chinese New Year vlog. It's like Hari Raya actually, but like, hope you guys enjoying this video. If you did, give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye guys!